Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the grill on the egg. Tip, burp it for, hold it up for like a little higher on the thing for 2 seconds, so it doesn't do anything bad like that. You can't just open it right up. You have to like hold it right here for 2 seconds, and then you can open it. Okay, happy Eggtoberfest, everyone. So yes, it is Eggtober. I don't know if it's Eggtober where you are, or when you are, or whatever you are. So how we start this, we get this little heater thingy, and this is what will start the fire. It gets so hot that it will start the fire. Dad, can I try? Can I do it? Okay, my dad's gonna be going. Okay, so what I do is I'm gonna plug it in and it's gonna get red. So, in 3, 2, 1, go! So now it's gonna start getting red. That's the little circle thingy is gonna start being red. It's gonna start catching everything on fire. Then it'll start having our fire, and we're gonna have to put this piece on. So yeah. So now what you do, and we're making a pizza, by the way. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these wood chips on here. Okay, is that good? Okay. Because we're making a pizza, and yeah, so is that good? Okay, so we're going to kind of spread this out.
Put some water on it.
Then we're going to put some water in it. For some reason, I think it's because the pizza. So, yeah. Now we'll let that soak. And our fire's starting to start. You want to leave that little piece in it for about about 4 minutes.
Alright, let's go check it out.
4 to 6. Okay. Our fire
we didn't end up using the wood chips because
get like burned.
Before
so
we
we
went
take it out
to
like that
before
part right there,
and
unplug
like
it,
so
and
like
put
it was
on
just
like
not working.
something
So
that's metal.
we couldn't use the wood chips.
Or
If
something
you
that
just,
do
like something different,
Okay.
then you don't have to
So we'll put it on that
do it.
and let it chill down.
You can use them, okay?
For a little. And then we get back to the fire. Okay, so
Let's open up our
so we have that little thing right there. See that little fire in the middle? That's how hot our thing got. So it got so hot it started a fire.
So because we're going to use the pizza.
So, and we're making a pizza. So not all foods are like this. And what are we gonna be doing? Cooking, smoking, baking.
Baking, we're making
Okay.
it into the oven, right?
So this thing can do like baking, cooking, and smoking and stuff, and all kinds of other things. So yeah. And we will be having like it's just like this. And yeah, he's gonna start kind of spreading that around. You don't want to keep it in one space. You want to have it kind of moving, okay? So we want to make sure that we have no at all activity with putting anything else in there. We don't want anything that's like not like that's not very good for a fire. That would like kind of pipe up a yeah. We just we just don't want too much activity with anything. And what this piece is doing is it's blocking the air, so it will make sure that it will get more hot. And then he'll put this piece on it. So this piece down there is like making sure that there's only like a couple of spaces for it to like come out, which is forcing the air out from the sides, which will like
We're making an oven, that's why.
yeah, so it will try and go up, but then that won't work. So it'll start taking a route to the side. And I'll show you.
The bottom heat doesn't burn the pizza, right?
Yeah, and so I will show you like almost like what it's doing, like a tutorial or something. So what happens is it goes up, up, then it goes to the side because it can't enter up. So it's trying to go to the side. Once it goes to the side, it starts, they keep on going to the sides, but they keep on trying to push up too. So what's happening is it's trying to go up. Whenever it's trying to go up, that's creating more heat. And then, but we want the heat to be able to like keep on producing, but we don't want it to be blocked. So that's why the sides let it out, and then it starts steaming up the metal. And then the metal starts like steaming up whatever we're cooking to create an oven. And now we have our oven. So, and then we put the pizza on it, and that will help us like make it like work better, okay? Look, what we did is this piece you can open if you want it to get hotter. So we opened it, and you can see that redness. And look, you have to burp it. So look, see? He holds it up for 2 seconds, and then he opens it. So you can't open it right away. Whoa, but still. Like, see, that's what we want. So yeah, he's gonna close it, but he can't open it again without burping it like that. Like, bloop, bloop. Folding it up for like 1 or 2 seconds. Maybe even 6. But that was a crazy fire.
Sure, we're gonna kick this down to small so it doesn't have very much breathing.
So my dad put it down to small so it doesn't have very much breathing. So the fire will get smaller.
There's the degrees right here.
And then there's the degrees. That's what can tell like the heat and stuff. I'm sure you guys already know that though. Smoking, but it's not smoking. We aren't smoking, but like it's just smoking. My dad came a little bit risky and he's doing this. So, yeah.
We want this to get up here to 400.
Yeah. So, whenever you're cooking your pizza, make sure it's at 400. Or at least vary around it. Okay. Woof! My dad is getting risky. Trying to make it up to 400. Are you sure that thing works? Okay. So, see. So my dad's about to pull the pizza off. Tip, always hold it up for 2 seconds and then open it.
Can you put the light on here, son? So I can see how
Oh.
quick it is? Can you?
Yes.
See, is that good? We can leave it for a little bit longer. We're gonna leave it for a little bit longer.
Okay, we're gonna leave it for a little bit longer. And how long did wait for a pizza? Between 13 and 18. Okay? We've waited about other hand that's not fireproof.
You wanna see that pizza?
Okay, that's our finished pizza. Happy Eggtoberfest and have a good day, everyone.